It's in a camera. Did you bring your computer? What? Face the couch as soon as he's got someone over here. Do you want to wait? Just wait till he gets over there, or should I fold him? I guess how are you gonna get him? What?
It's filming.
It's a videotape? Can you hear my voice? Oh no, you tricked me! You did.
It can tape up to 60 seconds.
Yeah. We need some of your face.